Hello, good morning, students. How are you? All of you fine? Okay. How is our classes? It's good or not? Okay. Welcome to our Google Classroom. Okay, let's start. So, our first lesson is over. All of you understand in the first lesson? Okay, so the next lesson is what? Our body, a living machine. What is the second lesson in EVS? Our body, a living machine. Our body, a living machine. Our body, a living machine. You have learned in first standard parts of our body. You know parts of our body? Yes, you heard parts of our body. You learned in first standard our parts of body. Okay. I will show you a picture of parts of our body. So, all of you see in this textbook, you see a picture of a boy and his body parts. You can see. All of you say with me. Say with me. What is that? Head. And next one, eyebrow. Next, here, cheek, chin, shoulder, palm, elbow, stomach, leg, ankle, eye, nose, chest, wrist, knee, foot. Okay, all of you understand? These are our body parts. This is our learned in first standard. So, in this lesson, we study about in our body parts is a machine. It's a living machine. Okay, all of you open your textbook, EVS textbook. Take page number 4. Oh, okay. Take page number 4. You can see in this page some pictures. Okay. What do you see in the first picture? You can see a boy is jumping. Okay. Next picture you can see a girl is hearing a song. All of you take the next one. Take the correct body part which help in doing the following activities. You can see some pictures. You take the correct body parts which helps in doing the following. Okay, you see the first picture. First picture is what? Is the correct answer? No. Second picture? No. Third picture? Yes, third is the correct answer. A boy is jumping with his leg. Okay. Then, next picture, what do you see? In this picture, a girl is hearing a music. So, which body parts we take the correct one? First one? No. Second one? Yes. All of you take the second one. Understand? All of you understand? Yes. Okay. Okay. Next one, listen, all of you listen. In our body is a wonderful machine. Our body is a wonderful machine. At the same time, a body is performing many functions. Same time, in our body perform many functions. In this time, I will teach you. In our body parts is making more function. My hand is moving and I am speaking, I hearing and I seeing you, like that. So our body parts is performing more function at the same time. Okay. Next one. It is made up of many parts of organ. In our body made many parts of organ. Understand? In our body made more parts of organ. I will teach you many parts of organ later. Okay. Some of them can be seen and some of them cannot be seen. In our body parts, we have more organs. Some organs we can see and some of them we cannot see. The organs that cannot be seen are called the internal organs. In our body, some organs we cannot see. So, that the body parts are called what? Internal organs. Internal organs. Internal organs. What is internal organs? In our body, we have more organs. So, some organs we cannot see. That organs are called internal organs. Okay. In our body consists three main parts. In our body consists three main parts. First one is head. Second one is trunk. Trunk is the position is here, like that. Trunk. The next one is limbs. What is limbs? Limbs is our arm and leg. First one is our head. Second one is trunk. Third one is our arm and legs. Okay. Three main body parts. Three main parts. ये क्या? Three main parts. First one head. Second one trunk. Third one limb. First one head, second one trunk, third one limb. Okay. So let us learn about them. Okay. First one is head. First one is head. In our body, three main parts. In our body, three main parts. What is that? First one is head. Second one is trunk. Third one is what? Yes, limbs. Okay. So first of all, we study about head. Head. Where is our head? Where is our head? My head is here. So, the part of our head is the top of the neck. Top of the neck. Head is our body part, the top of the neck. So, in our head contains eyes, nose, ear, mouth and brain. In our head contains what? In our head contains eyes, nose, ears, brain and mouth. Tell me, all of you, in our head contains what? Eyes, nose, ears, brain and mouth. Okay, all of you understand? Yes. Next one. What is brain? You can see brain? No, brain is an internal organ. Brain is an internal organ. So, what protect our brains? What protect our brains? Skull is protect our brain. What is skull? Skull is here in our head. In our head consists skull. Okay. So, the brain is our internal organs. Skull is protect our brain. What is protect brain? Skull. What is protect brain? Skull is protect brain. Skull is protect brain. So, where is brain? Where is brain? Brain is on inside organs. Okay, brain is on inside organs in our body parts. Head that controls. Brain is controls what? Brain is control our movement and thoughts, thinking, like that. Our movement, our feeling, our thinking, our memory is control what? Control is brain. In our brain is control our movement, our memory, our feeling, our thoughts, like that. Okay. So, brain is very important organ in our body. Okay. All of you understand? All of you understand me? So, we can learn more in next class. Okay. Are you understand this lesson? Okay. All of you read very well, and if you have any doubt, call me. Okay. Thank you.